5 quick hacks for spiritual empowerment and strength. Spiritual strength isn't always about long retreats or hours of meditation. Often, the most profound shifts happen in small, intentional moments. Here are 5 proven hacks to quickly boost your spiritual energy and internal fortitude. The first hack: the vertical breath reset. Most of us breathe horizontally, shallow chest breathing, when stressed. This signals the body to stay in a state of survival rather than spiritual connection. Here's the hack. Close your eyes and visualize a pillar of light running through your spine. As you inhale, imagine drawing energy up from the earth to the crown of your head. As you exhale, imagine it descending from the heavens back through your body. And why it works. This shifts your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest, creating the physiological space needed for spiritual intuition and calm. That's it for the first hack. Check back weekly for the remaining hacks in this series. Thanks for watching. For more life-enhancing tips, visit stablegrace.com.